Good morning, grade 6 class. How are you today? I hope you are safe and healthy. To start with our lesson class, I want you to bring out your Mathematics 6B book, your notebook, and your pencil. Class, we are on Unit 14, Lesson 3, Area of any Triangle, page 18 to 19. To start with our lesson class, our main objective for this morning is, at the end of this lesson, 100% of my students should be able to calculate the area of any triangle with 80% of success. Okay, class, our main objective for today's lessons, we have to calculate the area of any triangle. And for our core values for this month of January, we have loyalty. Class, when we talk about loyalty, this is how are we going to maintain healthy boundaries with those around you so you can be loyal to them in any productive way. Again, class, this is our core values for the month of January. And for our mental math drill, I want you to open this link and do the mental math drill in your mathematics activity notebook. And for our vocabulary words for today, we have area. Class, when we talk about area, the area of a shape is measured of the two-dimensional space that it covers. Again, class, this is what we call as area. How about the base? When we talk about the base is a lower or bottom part of a shape. As you can see, this is, in the triangle, this is a base. Okay, the lower or the bottom part of a shape, this is what we call as the base. Okay, here also, this is what we call as the base of the given triangle. And when we talk about the height is a distance from base to the top. Okay, as you can see, from the base going to the up or the top, this is what we call as the height of the given triangle. Again, this is the height. And these figures or this shape at the middle, this is the half. This is the right angle. Half, this is what we call as the height of a given triangle. Okay, so class 8 question regarding the base and the height. Okay, so our vocabulary words for today will help us to understand our lessons for today. Okay, let us proceed to our discussion, which is area of any triangle. Okay, so when we talk about the area of any triangle, the area of a right angle triangle is equal to 1/2 times base times height. Again, class, this is the formula that we are going to use. 1/2 times base times height. This is the formula that is true for any triangle. 1/2. Again, class, our formula is 1/2 times base times height. Okay, so let's have an example here on the board. Okay, as you can see, class, again, this is at the bottom. Okay, this is base. Okay, so this is the base. From the distance from the top of this, from the base from the top, this is what we call as the height. Okay, so given the triangles we have, the base is equal to 10 centimeter, and look at the height is 8 centimeter. By substituting the formula for the any triangle, okay, so the formula is area of the triangle is equal to base times height divided by 2. Okay, this is the formula that we are going to use. By substituting the formula for the base is equal to 10 and the height is equal to 8. So divided by 2. Okay, let us do 10 times 8 is equal to 80 over 2. Okay, so 80 divided by 2, it will give us 40 centimeter squared. Can you understand, class? Okay, so the area of this triangle is equal to 40 centimeter squared. Any question, class? Easy, huh? Okay, very good. So let us proceed to your activity. Okay, so will you please open your books on page 18, activity number 1. In activity number 1, let us first read the direction. Calculate the area of each rectangle and then the area of each shaded triangle. Check by counting squares and with the formula for the area of triangles. Again, class, what is the area of the triangles? Okay, so the area of the triangles is So the area of the triangle is equal to base 1/2 times base times the height. Okay? So don't forget this formula of the area of the triangle. 1/2 times base times height. Okay? How did we do this one? Okay, look at this example or in your activity letter A. Okay? So as you can see, this is a triangle. Okay? First is we need to find the area of this rectangle. Okay? How are we going to find the area of this rectangle? By counting the shaded part. Okay, let us proceed to the base. Okay, let us see how many centimeter or how many square are there in the base. So let us count the shaded part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so therefore, we are going to write this one as 6 centimeter. Okay, how about the height? Okay, let us count the height. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, therefore, plus the height is 3 centimeter. Now that we have already the base and the height, we are going to use the formula for the rectangle. Okay, so area of the rectangle. Okay, area of the rectangle. So what is the area of the rectangle, or what is the formula that we are going to use? Area is equal to base times the height. Okay, let us multiply. The base is 6 centimeter multiplied by the height, which is 3 centimeter. Okay, therefore 6 centimeter times 3 centimeter, it will give us 18 centimeter squared. So this is the area of the rectangle. Okay, how about the area of the triangle? Okay, let us see. Area of the triangle. Okay, so how are we going to find the area of the triangle? So we need to use the formula 1/2 times base times the height. Okay, since class the area of the rectangle is equal to 18 centimeters squared, so we are going to write here as 18 centimeter squared divided by 2. Okay, so now class, we need to divide 18 divided by 2. So 18 divided by 2, it will give us 9. 9 times 2 it will give us 18. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Therefore, class, the area of the triangle is equal to area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to 9 centimeter squared. So therefore, class, the area of the triangle is 9 centimeter squared. Okay, this is how are we going to calculate the area of each rectangle and the area of each shaded triangle. Can you understand the class? Okay, let us proceed to letter B. For letter B, as you can see, this is the figure. Okay, first class, we need to find or know what is the measure of the base and the height. Okay, so let us do first the base. So by counting the shaded squares, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we are going to write here as 7 centimeter. Okay, how about the height? Let us count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the height is 5 centimeter. Okay, now class, we are going to get the area of the rectangle. Okay, so area of rectangle. Okay, like this already. Okay, area of the rectangle. Okay, area of the rectangle is equal to base times the height. Okay, so again, class, what is the base? 7 centimeter times the height is 5 centimeter. Okay, so let us multiply. 7 times 5 is equal to 35 centimeter squared. Okay, how are we going to find the area of the triangle? So, area of triangle. Okay, area of the triangle, we have 1/2 times the base and the height. So, we have 35 centimeter squared. Okay, let us now divide 35 centimeter squared divided by 2. Okay, so 35 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Bring down 5. 15 divided by 2 is 7. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So we need to add 0. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So therefore, class, the area of the triangle is equal to 17.5 centimeter squared. Okay, so the area of the triangle is 17.5 centimeter squared, and the area of the rectangle is equal to 35 centimeter squared. Can you understand now, class? Okay, so this is how are we going to do this activity. Okay, so let us proceed to the next one. Okay, so let us do again. Okay, for letter C again, let us find the base and the height. Okay, so again, class, by counting the shaded squares. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is 4 centimeter. How about the height? Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is 6 centimeter. Okay, now class, let us find the area of rectangle. Okay, so the area of rectangle is equal to base times the height. Okay, so the base is 4 centimeter and the height is 6 centimeter. Okay, so 4 centimeter times 6 centimeter is equal to 24 centimeter squared. Okay, now let us find the area of the triangle. So area of triangle. So the area of triangle is 1/2 divided by the base times the height. Okay, so the base and the height is 24. So we have 24 centimeter squared divided by 2. Okay, so let us find the area. So area of triangle is equal to 24 centimeter squared divided by 2. Okay, class, let us divide. So we have 24 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Bring down 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, class, the area of the triangle is equal to 12 centimeter squared. Okay, again, the area of the rectangle is equal to 24 centimeter squared, and the area of the triangle is equal to 12 centimeter squared. Okay, so this is the answer for letter C. Okay, how about letter D? Okay, again, class, let us find the base and the height. Okay, by counting the square, the shaded square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8 centimeter. Okay, so how about the height? Okay, let us count the height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 5 centimeter. Okay, so area of rectangle. Okay, so let us multiply the base times the height. Okay, so the base is 8 centimeter and the height is 5 centimeter. Okay, so let us multiply 8 times 5 is equal to, very good, 40 centimeter squared. Now let us find the area of the triangle. Okay, so area of triangle is equal to 1/2 times the base and times the height. Okay, so since the base, if you are going to multiply the base times height, it will give us 40 centimeter squared divided by 2. Okay, so therefore the area of the triangle is equal to 40 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down 0. So therefore this is 20 centimeter squared. Again, for letter D, the area of the rectangle is equal to 40 centimeter squared, and the area of the triangle is equal to 20 centimeter squared. Any question? Okay, so let us proceed to the next slides. Okay, for your letter E and F. Okay, let us do the letter E and F. Okay, class. Again, as you can see, we are going to get first the measure of the base and the height. Okay, so let us count the base, the shaded square of the base. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the base is 6 centimeter. Okay, how about the height? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is also 6 centimeter. Okay, so area of rectangle is equal to base times the height. Okay, so we have 6 centimeter times 6 centimeter. 6 times 6 is equal to what? Very good. It will give us 36 centimeter squared. Okay, how about the area of the triangle? So, area of triangle is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height. Okay, class? So, we have 1/2 times 6 centimeter times 6 centimeter. Okay, so it will give us 6 times 6 it will give us 36 centimeter squared divided by 2. Okay, so let us do 36 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Bring down 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 2 it will give us 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, class, the area of the triangle is equal to 18 centimeter squared. Okay, again, for letter E, the area of the rectangle is equal to 36 centimeters squared, and the area of the triangle we have 18 centimeter squared. Can you follow class? Okay, so let us proceed to the next one. Okay, here for letter F, again let us find the base. Okay, so let us count the shaded square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so therefore, this is 10 centimeter. How about the height? Let us count the height. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the height is 5 centimeter. Okay, now let us get the area of the rectangle. Okay, area of rectangle. Okay, so equal to base times the height. So the base is 10 centimeter and the height is 5 centimeter. Okay, so area of the rectangle is equal to 10 times 5 is equal to, very good, 50 centimeter squared. Okay, now let us find the area of the triangle. Okay, area of triangle is equal to 1/2 times base times the height. Okay, is equal to 1/2 times 10 centimeter times 5 centimeter. Okay, so 10 times 5 is equal to 50 centimeter squared divided by 2. Okay, class? So the area of the triangle is 50 divided by 5 is equal to 25 centimeter squared. Okay, so this is the answer. Excuse me. Okay, so if you don't have any question, class, you are going to answer the next one. Okay, letter G, H, and I. Now, class, let us proceed to activity number 2. Okay, let us first see the direction. Calculate the area of each triangle. Okay, let us do now. In letter A, as you can see, this is a triangle, okay? The base of the triangle is 13 centimeter and the height is 6 centimeter, okay? So based on the formula, area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 times base times the height. Okay? So 1/2 by substituting the formula, 1/2 times the base is 13 centimeter and the height is 6 centimeter. So if we are going to multiply 13 times 6, okay, let us do 13 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18, carry 1. 1 times 6 is 6 plus 1 is 78. Therefore, class, this is 78 centimeter square. We need to divide it by 2 to find the area of the triangle divided by 2. So 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Bring down 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. Therefore, the area of the triangle is equal to 39 centimeter square. Easy, sir? This is how are we going to calculate the area of the triangle. Okay, let us proceed to letter D. Okay, for letter D we have the base is 6 centimeter, okay, and the height, okay, and this is the height. The height is 7.5 centimeter. Now, class, by substituting or using the formula of the triangle, 1/2 times base times height. Okay, so 1/2 times the base is 6 centimeter and times the height is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, let us multiply. 7.5 times 6. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. Carry 3. 7 times 6 is 42 plus 3 is 45. How many decimal point? 1. Therefore, this is 45 centimeter squared divided by 2. Okay, let us divide. 45 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Bring down 1. Add 0. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, the area of the triangle is equal to 22.5 centimeter square. Class, this is the area of the triangle, 22.5 centimeter square. Any question? Okay, class. So, please, I want you to do this letter E and G. Okay? Letter E and G. I want you to answer. I will give you 5 minutes to answer this E and G. Okay, assuming that you finish already to answer the E and G, let us do this one. Okay? So the answers are, again class, area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 or 1/2 times base times height. Okay, so the height is, the base is 3 centimeter and the height is 4 centimeter. So 3 times 4, it will give us 12 centimeter squared. We need to divide it by 2, so it will give us 6 centimeter squared. Okay, and letter D, this is the answer. 1/2 times base times the height. So this is the base, we have 18 centimeter and the height is 22 centimeter. If we are going to multiply 18 times 22, it will give us 396 centimeter squared divided by 2. So it will give us 198 centimeter squared. Okay, class? So these are the answers for E and G. Now, class, after our discussion, we are going to answer the next one. Okay, if you don't have any questions, please, I want you to answer the critical thinking questions in your activity notebook. Class, these triangles are drawn accurately. Make sure to find the area of each in millimeters squared. Now, class, you are going to draw this one accurately and make the use of the units, which is the millimeter squared. Okay, if you don't have any question, grade 6 class, this is the end of our lessons. Okay, so I wish that you are enjoying our lessons for today. Okay, goodbye grade 6. See you on next week. Bye-bye. Keep safe.